Hello friends, welcome to javafirst.com. Today we are going to discuss about a topic called a cloud trust evaluation system using a hierarchical fuzzy inference system for a service selection. Let's see what exactly the paper is all about. As you know, the cloud computing is a booming concept for a service or a cloud. So as the cloud computing has increased in nowadays, the cloud service providers are become more and more. So the users of cloud services are get confused with which one they have to trust over the quality and work based on a pay as a service you go. So is this concept we all about how you going to trust a cloud service providers based on a fuzzy quality services based on a user requirement, so that has to be dynamically perform the quality of a cloud services. And here we are basically considered the fuzzy inference system based on a cloud queue load, and it means a workload and number of rejection of that cloud service providers and the feedback of the cloud services. So based on these three conditions we are going to trust the cloud service providers. So it has to do dynamically all the services. So based on this paper we have implemented and web applications using a software requirement like Eclipse. It is an IDE, that is an integrated development environment where you can create your web applications. So here I have created a web applications like DM Fuzzy is my project. So here I have used the three servers, that is a DM service 1 and server 2, server 3. So these are the cloud servers. So based on these three cloud servers, how the user is going to trust on the particular server. So let's see how the project is developed. So here the backend I have used MySQL server. Okay, so to run any web application we need a servers, that is I have used a Tomcat Apache Tomcat servers. So I'm going to start a server now. The server is started. So go to browser. So I have used the localhost 8080 DM server fuzzy. So that is my application welcome page. So here user has to log in with his user ID and the password. So login. So this is a main application. This application we are developed based on a video recommendation, like how the video is upload waived or we can upload to the cloud services. Based on the workload will be calculated based on a video durations, so like profile. So let's see how the workload everything will be calculated based on a fuzzy inference system. So upload. So here to calculate the workload, that means the durations of the video we are calculating. So you can give the title of the video, then you have to select video, so here I have some video, that's FLVV. So the duration of that video is all around 60 seconds. So upload. So now this video is uploaded to the cloud server. Here I am using a cloud services. Name is called drivehq.com. So you can just go to browser and you can, it's a hybrid cloud, drivehq.com, you can enter. So this is my cloud, that's a real cloud I have used. So let's see. So in this cloud I have created my own account. So whatever we have uploaded that in a video here, that will be stored in the cloud storage, that is here. So how you going to trust these three servers, these cloud service providers? So based on the video once we have uploaded, so watch video. So my uploaded video is here. So once you have click on that video, the server selection will be done based on queue load. So here I have click one more video. Okay, so the quality of the video is bad. So based on these things, based on these quality services, based on their request queue load, the user going to give the feedback on particular server. Now I have played this video in a server 1. So you can give the quality of the product is poor. Okay, the speed of the server, okay, it's an average, the waiting time is an average, the cost of a service you can give average. So these are options where we can give for a user to give a feedback. So based on these based on these feedbacks, the server 1 will get a score based on a user feedback. So this data will be stored in a database, that's a MySQL. So based on the queue load and the feedback form and the number of rejection done by the server 1 and the server 2, server 3 will be judged using a trust evaluations here. So you're using this trust evaluation algorithm. So we are observing the server 1, server 2, server 3 loads and the feedback of that. So if you want to see, go to database, the cloud computing. So it's DM bus fuzzy is my database name. So here, so just go to the feedback. So now I have given the server 1, my server ID is 1, so I have used the server 3 servers, that is a server 1, server 2, server 3 here. So in this I have uploaded 2 videos with the duration. The duration, the load 1, that is a server ID 2 has handled 654, and the one server 1 is handled by this one. So based on these feedbacks and the queue load, work left and work done, so number of work done is 6 seconds and the work left is 54. So this is a workload, and number of rejection will be based on these rejection of the request from the client. So here total trust. Okay, so how we going to trust the server service providers? So once the transaction is done, so it means a large number of videos as watched by the clients. So the work left and work done is calculated in the backend. So let's see how the trust evaluation is done. So my trust evaluation will calculate based on the number of rejection of the request and based on the work left in that server and the feedback of the users. So this observation will be done to calculate trust evaluation over the cloud. So here the server will having a trust value 2.50. It means average good. So I have kept a threshold level of 1.5. Above 1.5 will be the good services, and the below of 1.5 will be the medium, and below 1 the average of all the calculation of that server trust evaluation will be calculated. So here we can trust the server 1 based on the average overall score of the servers. So this is all how we can trust a cloud server providers dynamically. Thank you for watching.